Hi guys, you might all have heard of Rahul Dravid. Maybe not so much either, because the legacy era of Dravid, Tendulkar, Ganguly was much during our childhood. Yet there is an element of genius when it comes to Dravid. Even today, he is regarded as the greatest middle order batsman ever. Why is that? See, he was never a highly gifted batsman or highly talented. Yet we adore him as the unassailable wall in India. That is a result of 17 years of hard work. He spent more time behind the nets than anyone else, and even the idea of his hard work was much different. See, youngsters, they used to go into nets to learn new techniques or new shots, discover new shots, but his idea of hard work was very disciplined. He had a rote disciplined system in place, and every day he used to go through the same process. In his own words, he used to say that for him practicing is a drill, where every now and then he used to make slight course corrections in order to achieve a sense of perfection. He took the game very seriously. That is how, in fact, he was able to pull off scores like 12 runs of 96 balls. It was a rock. Every time he used to middle the ball, and he was practically unassailable. His true sense of a genius. He took the game very seriously, and similarly, when it comes to CAT, you got to take it very seriously. Every day, every year, there are tens of thousands of students. You have the intent to get 95 plus, 99 plus. You also have the potential to get it, but that intention doesn't translate into action. And sometimes it also happens that you put in a lot of effort, but it's sort of distributed, haphazard. You're caught up with your work, you're busy with all your colleges, you put in effort here and there, but finally it doesn't translate into great score. Somewhere you'll get like an okay score. As Virupaji famously says, hard work beats talent, but it's just not hard work alone. If you look at top achievers, they just don't put directionless efforts. They're highly disciplined, highly organized, they have a clear-cut schedule in place. Basically, if you start out on the right footing, half the battle is won. So if you want to make a proper dent in CAT, a proper roadmap is quintessential. So let's say you will dedicate 5 hours of studying every day, but what will you study, which topic to study, or how much time to invest in which topic? And of course, there is so much overwhelming amount of material out there, you are bound to get lost, confused, and waste a lot of time. This is exactly why we have designed a detailed schedule. Every day our faculty, we curate a specific topic, we upload a long form video on it, we also upload one test related to it. So you revise a concept, you revise concept using classroom video, and then take an associated test. This is more scientific way of preparing, not just mugging up formulae. And mind you guys, this is apart from the library of concept videos already available. That is to learn all the concepts. When it comes to classroom videos, we dig deeper into each topic. We try to understand nuanced approaches, basically to get a unique perspective on a problem. So I'll tell you, let's say we have an equilateral triangle. All the four, orthocenter, circumcenter, centroid, incenter, all of them lie on the same point. Then you make it a isosceles triangle. Then suddenly all four of them become collinear, and then you make it a scalene triangle. Suddenly incenter goes away, and the other three are in the ratio 2:1. So why is this happening? Post it in the comments below, I'll certainly read it. So the purpose of making these classroom videos is to make you think more strategically. Apart from revising your concept, strengthening your concept, we want you to trigger your strategic acumen, to make you think critically. Especially if you look at our inference based questions, they're just fantastic. You'll feel like A and D are so close, but when you look at the answers, you clearly know why A is right or why D is wrong. That is, you'll know what classifies as an inference, how to deal with closed question RCs. These videos will help to improve your critical reasoning. And the schedule, guys, it is different for different batches. We had a batch which started as early as December 20th. Third batch recently started in February, and fourth batch it is in March. I think it is very fast approaching. You can enroll to it. So the way it works is, we'll give the entire March schedule. You'll take a printout of it and say March 5th is on averages and ratio and proportion. You'll initially go through the concept videos, build your concept, take topic test, and then you will come to the classroom video and go deeper into the topic. So effectively, you are reducing your preparation time from 5 hours to 3 hours. Normally, students spend a lot of time sorting through stuff. Now, you need not worry about any of that. We will do the planning strategy for you. You just need to focus on working hard. Okay, so before I go, I'll give you one more interesting puzzle, guys. It's very thought-provoking, and the solution is quite simple. So basically, we have a table, and on the table there are 20 coins. And remember, you are in a dark room. You can't see the coins. 10 of them are facing heads, 10 of them are facing tails. Your objective is to separate it into two groups, such that each group has same number of heads and tails. That is, you'll separate into, say, group of 2. There is one head tail here. The other group also has one head tail. Or you have 5 heads and 1 tail, 5 heads and 1 tail. The groups can have any number of coins, and also no funny business like cutting the coin or feeling the coin or leaving torchlight on the coin, but you can certainly flip the coin. That is one thing. You can flip the coin. You'll have to separate it such that both groups have same number of heads and tails. Certainly post your answers. Let's see who gets it right. So that's about it, guys. The purpose of classroom videos, the schedule, is to enhance your skills, to make you think critically. And if you're dead serious about getting scoring say 90 plus, 95 plus, 99 plus, I don't think there is a more conducive place for you to prepare. You have your peers, you have your faculty who will always answer your questions. And also don't forget to leave the answers for the questions, guys. Don't peek into the answers even before you solve. Try to solve and certainly give your answers. We'll see you soon. Cheers.